Hi! Today we will make a gift for the upcoming Mother's Day. Asiasiowo. Make a hole in a styrofoam bowl. Then glue the Ferrero Rocher candies. I used 16 pieces, but you can use less. Cut 3 sizes of crepe paper rectangles. Cut a petal shape. Stretch it in the center. Make all the petals in similar way. We need about 15 pieces of small petals, about 12 pieces of medium petals, and about 10 pieces of large petals. Glue the petals, first the small ones. Then medium petals. And finally the large ones. Cut out the leaves out of a paper ribbon. Attach them to the bottom of flower. Glue Sisal between the candies. If you don't want to make a flower on the stem, you can now put it in a flower pot. Now the stem. Wrap a wooden stick with a paper ribbon. Add the leaves. Pour a glue into the hole. Put the stick into the hole. Mask the styrofoam by using small leaves. And our sweet flower is done. What do you think? Is this a good gift idea? That's all for today. Please consider subscribing to my channel. See you soon!